Morning, my beautiful granddaughters. I hope you're all been good and you're all well. Time for Granddad's story time. So this is my Pteranodon has a sneeze.
If you notice, girls, there's Lucy
Oh,
fast asleep
yes,
on the
Lucy.
couch.
Lucy over there asleep.
It's Lucy's bedtime
She's been snoring.
all day. Come
Right, come on, Nana. Back to story
on,
time.
back the story.
My Pteranodon has a sneeze by Elwyn Tate. My Pteranodon has a sneeze. Oh, what am I to do? He holds his nose, curls his toes, and yells out, "Achoo!" My Pteranodon has a sneeze. His snout is red and sticky. His wings won't flap. His beak won't snap. He's feeling rather icky. My Pteranodon has a sneeze. He huffs puffs all day. Achoo! Blachoo! Achoo! 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 I wonder if his problem will ever go away. He sneezes when we're on the train. He sneezes in my aeroplane. He even sneezes when he snores. Achoo! And wakes the other dinosaurs. He needs a nice warm jacuzzi, says my Stegosaurus Susie. That's a jacuzzi there, like a hot bath. He needs to spend some time in bed, said my woolly mammoth Fred. Oh dearie me, what can it be that's making you so sneezy? We all agree it's plain to see you're feeling rather queasy. There has to be a remedy to stop this sneeze of yours. But wait a sec, perhaps I'd check my big book of dinosaurs. Read, 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 reading the book. Aha, that's it. I've worked it out. I know why you've got a poorly snout. It says here on page 21, Pteranodons like lots of sun. So pack your bags, my dino friend, and soon you will be on the mend. To cure this sneezy situation, we're going off on a vacation. 3, 2, 1, lift off! Zoom! Woo! Swoop and soar, flying on a dinosaur. Off to sunny skies of blue. See you in a week or two. We've landed in a lovely spot. The sea is calm, the sun is hot. There are lots of things to see and do. We wish that you were here with us too. He's surfing. He's got his goggles on to go snorkeling. My Pteranodon has no sneeze. He's much better than before. But the only problem now is my allosaur has lost his roar. Squeak! The end. I hope you like that one. Another story at the weekend for you two, as long as you're good girls and we have some dry bits. Okay. Love you loads. Bye for now. Bye.
Lucy says bye.
Night, Lucy.
Night, Lucy.
No.
Bye, girls. Love you loads.